Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to initiate the account transfer on Questrade step by step. I decided to transfer my long-term TFSA account from Interactive Brokers to Questrade because of their lower account maintenance fees and amazing customer service. So make sure you've already opened an account with Questrade. You need to have one before you can initiate the transfer. I have a video on how to open a Questrade account on the top right corner. To get started with the transfer, make sure you're logged into Questrade's website. You will go to Funding and Transfer Account to Questrade. So you click that. They say now for transfers of 25,000 or more, they rebate your fees for up to $150. But right now their promotion before March 31st is transfers of any account of any balance, and doesn't matter how many accounts. So that's kind of nice, good to know. So here you'll enter your account number at Questrade. So if I want to transfer an account into either my RRSP or my TFSA, I'll leave it at TFSA. And this is where you enter your broker institution. Okay, here's where you enter Interactive Brokers, and your account is 11111, whatever account it is. And here's where you enter the address, their phone number. So you just gotta fill out your broker information, very important, your account information at the broker. And here is really important, transfer type. So what that means is it's either all in cash, all in kind, or partial transfer. So do you want your previous broker to liquidate all your positions to cash and then transfer over the cash position to Questrade? Or do you want to do all in kind, in which you transfer all the securities exactly as they are, the position they are, either they are ETFs, stocks, options, things like that. So if you want to keep all your positions, then you will use all in kind. Or you can do partial transfer, in which you'll have to, let's try partial transfer. So if you do partial transfer, you have to add, so let's say stock, 10 shares of APL on USD, Apple shares, transfer in kind. So I'm gonna keep that as a stock, an option, let's say. Maybe I have 2 contracts of Apple. So you have to type in very detailed here. You have to write out all the details of, like, specifically the instruction you want to give it to your brokers to transfer in the position. Let's say I want to liquidate, let's say, my Tesla position. And you have to add that one by one. That's only if you want to do partial. For me, again, I just did all in kind. Maybe you want to do all in cash to liquidate everything, or just partial, as I did here. So, and after this, you click continue. And then this is when you have to come in and sign some documents. We're not going to sign anything today because I already placed in my transfer request. So you just click continue, and they'll send it, and they'll send you a confirmation email. The transfer will be completed in about 10 business days. It does take some time, but it's a fairly easy process. You can do any transfer, cash position transfer, margin account transfer, TFSA, RRSP, all online on Questrade. So I'm transferring my TFSA account from IB to Questrade. Usually, for them to rebate your transfer fee, you have to be transferring in an account of 25,000 or more, and they'll rebate you up to 150. But Questrade right now has this promotion. Until March 31st, you can transfer any account to Questrade, regardless of the balance, and you'll get your transfer fees rebated of up to $150. And there you go, guys. This is how you transfer an existing account from other institutions to Questrade. Hopefully this video helps you out. If you're thinking of opening a Questrade account, please do consider using my referral code down in the description below. If you have any feedback or questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And please leave a like and subscribe for more useful videos like these in the future. This is the Humble Trader. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.